Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of vagina for histology, practical and slide. There are 5 identification points of vagina for histology, practical and slide. Number 1, vagina is lined by stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. Number 2, there is no mucosal folds. Number 3, there is no glands. Number 4, thick muscular layer with very vascular interstitial connective tissue. And number 5, very broad, rich vascular lamina propria. These are the 5 identification points of vagina for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the detailed slide explanation video of vagina on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. And now I will upload these identification points video also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points for practical and slide. If you like my video, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.